Hello.
Yeah, hi Mandy.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
So this interview regarding business analyst.
Yes.
Okay. Are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir. I am comfortable.
Yeah, okay, that's great. Yeah. Yes. Could you please explain me about yourself?
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. My name is Mandeep, and I have 2 years of experience in manual testing field. And now I have completed the business analyst certification, and now I am searching for the job in business analyst role.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. So I think you're having 2 years, 2+ years of experience, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if you can say you could have complete one project, right?
Yes, sir. I have completed.
Okay, that's great. So could you please tell me, did you join as a fresher? Otherwise, so
Actually, I have joined as a fresher, sir.
okay, that's fine. So I think you have experience in business analyst in one project, one or two project you have completed.
Actually, in manual testing field, I have experience in one project, and business analyst also. I have experience in one project. So,
Oh, that's so great to hear.
yes.
So that's fine. When it come to business analyst, what was your project? What was your roles and responsibilities would be in your recent project?
Sir, actually, I am a part of this project, that is investment and channel planner.
Okay.
So in that project, I will be understanding the business requirements, like
Mhm.
what are the requirements have given by the team,
Mhm.
stakeholders. So
Mhm.
I will be understanding, and like excellent, like I have excellent written and creating a business requirement skills. So stakeholders is giving the requirement, I will be preparing the business requirement document like DRD, FRD documents, understanding that, and I will be preparing those documents.
Okay.
And after that, I'm going through with the SDLC methodologies,
Okay.
like waterfall, agile, these methodologies.
Mhm.
And, I am having a good understanding in test plan and based upon business requirements.
Okay.
And I am a part of agile methodology.
Mhm.
So I have fully knowledge on that methodology.
Mhm.
And after that, understanding those requirements and convincing to the developers, testers, and all them, and we will be explaining deeply and go through on the technical perspective. And I have in this project we have used this SQL also
Mhm.
for the fetching of data, and I have knowledge on broader typo and
Mhm.
using charts. uh, and I have fully knowledge on Jira, so we will be writing user stories in Jira and following up them. And
Mhm.
if developer or tester or any scrum master they have any doubts, we will be clarifying those doubts.
Mhm.
And after that, I have knowledge on bar Smith mockups as well. So
Okay, okay. That's so great to hear. So I
yes,
think within a 1 year you achieved a lot.
yes.
So as you mentioned that you have worked on agile methodology. You worked on agile methodology or you worked as a scrum master?
Actually, I'm a business analyst, sir. So I have a knowledge on agile methodology because our project is going on this methodology. That's what I have fully knowledge on that methodology.
Okay, that's so great. In Jira also you have
Yes, sir. Yes,
Jira.
sir. Jira tool also I have fully knowledge.
You worked on Jira, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So what about business analyst? You worked on business analyst or you worked on Jira? You worked as a Scrum Master.
So, for the business analyst role, we are taking the requirements to the stakeholders and converting the requirements into the text stories.
Okay.
So that text stories we will be writing in Jira.
Okay.
That's what I have knowledge on Jira, sir.
Okay. Okay. That's so great. So I think you have done one project. Could may I know your project domain? I think.
Uh, s-
Yeah.
yes, sir. So that is
Any
uh,
finance domain or a retail
yes,
domain
sir.
or
Yes, sir.
such?
That is like a financial domain only, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So in the financial domain, you worked as a BA, right? So in your BA role, did you analyze your data? How you are getting the data from the clients, or any person is giving you, having you knowledge?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get you. Could you please repeat it once again?
Okay, in your role, right? So
Yes, sir.
in your role, you worked as a BA, right?
Yes, sir.
In the BA, did you get the requirement directly? Otherwise, is any person is giving you?
Stakeholders only giving the requirements, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah. And after that, once again, involving those stakeholders in the meetings, and we will be finalize those requirements which have given by the stakeholders. And
Hmm.
after that, we will be preparing the user stories, sir.
Okay, that's a great. So I think you are also involved into the client calls, right?
Yes, sir, I'm involved.
So once you get the data, or you can say that you mentioned that
Yes.
there is you used a SQL, right?
Yes, sir.
So for the data,
Yeah. For
so
fetching of data.
mm, in that process, you mentioned that BRD is FRD, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is BRD? What is FRD? Difference between them?
Actually, so BRD is business requirement documentation,
Okay.
and FRD means functional requirement documentation, sir.
Okay.
So in the BRD documents, what are the business requirements they have? So
Mhm.
we will be writing those documents, and after that we have fully knowledge about those documents, which have project scope,
Mhm.
that defines like boundaries and object of the project, and what are the requirements they have given, like detailed functional way and non-functional way we will be understanding, sir.
Mhm.
And after that, what are the budget for this particular project, what are
Mhm.
the cost, and what are the benefits of this project. These are all included, sir. So we will be just understanding those are all, and we will be preparing those documents, sir, for that particular project.
Yeah, that's so great. So I think you also worked on the process of flow diagrams, user stories,
Yes, sir.
communicating requirements whenever the client come to changes something
Yeah.
to change. In that cases also you involved in the call, right?
Yes, sir. I am involved.
So you are only actively participated in your team. Otherwise, is someone else team lead or your seniors?
Um, Actually, we are part of two, sir, in the for business analyst team. My team lead and me, sir.
Okay, okay, that's so great. So these are all for today interview for you. So now it's time for the feedback to you.
Yes, sir.
So just look at here. The first thing, when you are looking for IT jobs or any IT works, don't mention SAR. You just
Okay.
directly call the person.
Okay.
So any interview or any regular working basis also, you don't use that. And the
Okay.
second thing, you explain about yourself. That was so fantastic. But try to add 3 to 4 points extra to that.
Sure. Sure, I will learn.
And when it come to project explanation, so
Mm.
you just worked 2 years. Within 2 years, you worked in two different technologies. One is
Yes.
manual testing, another one is BA.
Mm.
So while you explaining about that manual testing, you have to explain about what was your project, what was your roles and responsibilities in that manual testing.
Mm. Okay,
So why
sure.
you choose for the BA apart from manual testing? Because manual testing itself has the good career, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to switch for one technology to another technology, you should
Mm.
have some goal, career goal. Why you switching from there to here?
Okay.
So if any interviewer asks you to, so that is containing more code to compare with the BA, you should not take up, like that. So you should be very clear about that. Why you leave that manual testing? Why you switch to this BA? So
Okay.
this is more important.
Mm.
And this project one. while you explain that finance domain, right?
Yep.
In that
Yes.
project one, you are just explaining whatever you mention in resume, the technologies. So just you have to mention that these are all the technologies. You can say that Agile, Scrum, Jira, Azure, Blumzik mockups. These are all you mention, na? Waterfall.
Mm. Yes.
These things you just tell them these are all the things we are working. I'm not a specific working on this. I just work in the BA.
Mm.
So in the SQL also you have to mention that we get the data from the SQL database.
Yes.
So that is only thing. From tomorrow we will take up the another next level questions.
Sure.
So it may take 1 day to you. Admin will contact you.
Sure. Thank you.
So they will give you when will be your next round. So
Okay.
total 10 rounds would be there. So I think
Okay.
admin would tell you.
Okay, sir.
So this is the process here. If any person
Okay.
is there, you could refer.
Sure, sure. I will be there touching with you, and I will refer
Okay, okay.
few.
That's a great, Mandy. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.